What is CRM in digital marketing? A complete guide. Please subscribe and like the video. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses must build strong relationships with customers to thrive. Customer relationship management in digital marketing is a powerful tool that helps brands manage customer interactions, improve sales, and enhance customer experience. In this guide, we will cover what CRM is in digital marketing, why CRM is essential for businesses, key features of a CRM system, how to use CRM to improve digital marketing efforts, and the best CRM software for digital marketing. CRM in digital marketing refers to strategies, tools, and technologies used to manage customer data and interactions across digital channels. It helps businesses track leads, automate marketing campaigns, and personalize customer experiences to drive engagement and conversions. A company uses CRM to track customer behavior on its website, send targeted email campaigns, and follow up with personalized offers. CRM is crucial for digital marketing because it helps brands understand customer behavior, improve lead generation, increase sales conversions, enhance customer retention, and automate marketing campaigns. A good CRM system includes features like customer data management, email marketing automation, lead tracking and scoring, social media integration, and analytics and reporting. CRM stores customer contact details, purchase history, preferences, and interactions across multiple channels. A clothing brand tracks a customer's past purchases and recommends similar products. It can send automated emails based on customer actions like abandoned cart reminders, welcome emails, and special discounts. A customer signs up for a newsletter and receives a welcome email with a 10% discount. CRM helps businesses identify high-potential leads based on their engagement levels. A real estate agent uses CRM to track potential home buyers and follow up with targeted property listings. CRM integrates with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to track engagement and respond to customer inquiries. A brand monitors customer comments on Instagram and responds directly from the CRM dashboard. CRM provides insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and sales trends. A business sees which email campaigns generate the most leads and optimizes future strategies. CRM helps segment customers based on interests, location, and past interactions. An e-commerce store sends product recommendations based on previous purchases, and a travel agency sends vacation deals based on past trips. CRM automates email responses, SMS notifications, and chatbot interactions to keep customers engaged. A fitness brand sends automated workout reminders to customers. CRM centralizes all customer queries, making it easier for support teams to respond quickly. A SaaS company tracks customer support tickets and provides faster solutions. Use CRM data to retarget visitors who showed interest but didn't make a purchase. A car dealership follows up with visitors who checked a specific model online but didn't request a quote. Here are some of the best CRM tools for digital marketing: HubSpot CRM, Salesforce CRM, Zoho CRM, Pipedrive, and ActiveCampaign. Key takeaways: CRM in digital marketing helps businesses manage customer relationships efficiently. It improves lead tracking, automation, and personalization. CRM software provides insights to optimize marketing campaigns. Using CRM effectively can increase sales, customer engagement, and retention. Ready to improve your digital marketing? Start using a CRM system today and take your business to the next level.